Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're gonna do this lantern DIY and I'm so excited. I'm happy it came out perfectly. So you're gonna need 4 picture frames. Mind you, I got everything from the dollar store, so this project cost me like I want to say $5 because I did have the glue gun and the glue from previous like DIYs. So just follow what I'm doing and just be generous with the glue. I don't think there's anything else to say. It's so easy. And yeah. So what I wish I did is got like bigger frames, but hey, I can always make it some other time. So after you're done gluing in all the 4 sides of glass, you're gonna take your E6000 glue. This is the best glue when you're trying to like glue stuff, um, like I want to say like wooden plastic, because this held very well. I did try to use the glue gun, but that was a fail, so I had to run out the next day and take this. So what you're gonna do is put the glue gun as you just saw and place the other frame on top of where you put the glue. So you want to be really careful and position it the right way, because once this thing dries, it's dry, honey, and nah, we don't want to create a mess. So yeah, so what we're gonna do next is just the other side and do this to all the sides. So right after this, you want to put the top of the lantern very carefully, and at the same time trying to like align it directly to the ends, because you don't want it to look weird. So you want it to look really perfect, and don't mind all the glue on the side. You can just like take it off when it's dry. And you also want to get like a weight so that it helps with the drying process. And yeah, so this is another day where I was like, okay, we're gonna take some rope and make it as a handle. So what I'm doing here is just like gluing it on. It is so easy. I don't know, it is just so easy. And just to make it a little bit nicer, I'm gonna take like twine and place it right across where I glued the rope, just to make it a little bit pleasing to the eye. Now that we're done with that project, we're gonna go ahead and make the wreath. You need a frame and some flowers and your glue and your glue gun. So I got these from the dollar store and this was $8. So we're gonna cut off the stems just to make it a little bit easier for the flower to stick on the frame, and just do what you want to do really, and go to town, guys. Like, do whatever you want to do. Initially I wanted to do just one side of the frame, but I didn't get everything for this project. I kind of realized that a little bit later, and I was not just gonna stop there. So yeah, you just keep on going, and yeah. And I want to issue a disclaimer. You want to be careful when you're working with a glue gun, because I burnt the heck out of my hand, guys. And it was not pretty, so make sure you are very careful. And if you're like a kid, get someone to help you with this, because this ain't a joke, okay? And you don't want to burn your fingers off, so yeah, bye-bye. So now that I was done with putting all the flowers where I wanted, and looked at my frame, and it looked very flowery. Okay. I decided to go and make a what do you call it? Like a bow with a burlap. And that's all I did here. It was kind of easy because you could bend the burlap to whatever shape you really wanted. So I just used the hot glue gun to make it a little bit more, make the shape look more bowy. So yeah. So now we're gonna make a sweater pumpkin. So this is very easy. It's just get one of those pumpkins from the dollar store. They usually have them around this time of the year, and you're gonna put a sweater in it, whatever color you want. Just go crazy with it, and I'm gonna measure, cut, and just place everything on there. I don't think I got the desired effect I wanted with this DIY, but I did not mind it since I'm going for a very farmhousey, just texture kind of theme with this pumpkins. And yeah, I don't know, but that's how that came out. It's very easy. And yeah, so with the small pumpkins, I just kind of painted them with some paints that I got from, um, where did I get these? Michaels. So we're going to use a white paint, a gray paint, a paint with like a mint green tone, just so that I can tie in all the colors that I wanted. And the next few clips are going to be about the painting. So watch, enjoy. I lost footage of some of the little pumpkins, but this is just some of them that I made. I hope you guys really like this video. And for the plate, I just kind of painted every color I had on me. And this is what I had. I glued on a candlestick at the bottom just to kind of lift it up and make it all look pretty, you know? And I decided to display the pumpkins like this, and I made some of the stem with branches and the rope. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. It was fun for me to make, but freaking hectic for me to get it up and on the YouTube. Okay, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And there you have it. I will see you on my next video. And this last bit was a last minute resort of what I enjoyed doing. Bye. Subscribe, like, and comment. See ya. Peace.